Now coming towards the second method, which is to the using a regex expression, that is a Python module on the first. So what it does is, this module in the Python, we basically use it for string searching and for the string manipulation, etc. for it. Now here we are going to import our library, which is import re. After that we are going to create a function substring, and then we are going to find a letter. So what does this ref vendor function does is, it's going to use the d string, that is the string which we want, and it's going to iterate over our string over and over again until it gets exhausted, and after that it's going to return all of the matches current string for it. That means in our letter over here string, it's going to store all alphabets which are consecutively, and having the max over here, it's going to sort them using the length of our substring. That means at first is going to store an abcd as a substring in the letter, and after that it's going to check e and to the f, and it doesn't get stored because the length of ef is 2, while coming compared to the abcd the length is 4. So that's why it's going to store it into the letter. Here the capital slash d, it stands for the letter, which is, I mean, it can also include the special characters also, and in the digit it is slash small t, and then it's going to return our letter and to the digit. As you can see it over here, our abcd is our longest substring as an alphabet, and 1 2 3, it is our longest digit substring.